Here we have our brand new Fischer fixing nylon toggle plug. First, you grasp your drill and make a 10mm hole. Then you take your Fischer toggle plug and insert the red end into the hole you just created. Push, wiggle even. Once fully inserted, push the white plug towards the wall, down the tail, and push it flush into the hole. Once firmly seated, tug the white tail and then snap off to secure. Next, you get your screw and you screw it into the plug using a drill. You now have a very secure bolt in your wall thanks to our brand new Fischer technology.